Welcome viewers. Today we shall be looking at the third example on kinematics, and it says that a particle was projected vertically upwards such that it reached the highest height h meter after t seconds. If the height h is given by the equation h equals to 180t minus 3t cubed. A. Find the time taken to reach the highest height. B. The highest height reached. Okay, so let's go quickly to the solution. You have to consider that at the highest height, velocity is 0. That should be the first thing that would come to your mind. And of course, for you to get the time taken to reach the highest height, you have to equate velocity to 0. Okay, so for us to also get the velocity, don't forget that we have to take the first derivative of the function h equals to 180t minus 3t cubed, which will give us the expression v equals to the h over the t, which is still the same thing as velocity, equals to 180 minus 3 times 3t squared. I believe you understand how we got this expression. If you don't, please go back and watch our first example on kinematics 1 and also the second. We have done this explanation already. Okay, so can I continue? Look at this. 3 times 3 here would give us 9. So I just erase this and substitute 9. Remember, I said at the highest velocity or at the highest height, velocity is 0. So I equate this to 0. What am I trying to say? I am simply saying that the velocity is equal to 0. So let me just copy this. Alright, so this is now the new expression, how it looks like. Then we are going to make t the subject of the formula. So the next thing we are going to do here is to solve for t. So we now say that 9t squared is equal to 180. Okay, I believe you know how we eliminated the negative sign. If I take the 180 across the sign of equality, I would have minus 180. Minus will cancel minus. Or I take minus 90 squared across. I think that's the best way to explain it to your understanding. The minus sign will change to a positive sign. So that's how I arrived at this. Since I am solving for t, we are going to divide both sides by 9. So when we do that, we will have 180 divided by 9. Okay, so this would be the new expression. Then 180 divided by 9 is going to give us 20. So when we find the square root of 20 from t squared equals to 20, by the time we find the square root of 20, we will have that t is equals to plus or minus 4. Let me just call it 4 seconds because we may not use the negative side of it. Okay, so t equals to 4 seconds. That's the time. They said the time taken to reach the highest height is 4 seconds. Okay, let's look at the B side of the equation. The highest height reached. What is the highest height reached? B. Let me come here and put A. Okay, so the highest height reached, we pick the expression h equals to 180t minus 3t cubed. And then we are going to substitute the value of t, which is 4, into this expression. Since that was the time taken to reach the highest height, whatever it will give us would be the value for the highest height. So I now put 4 here. And then you simplify this. When you simplify, you will get the highest height to be 528 meters. 528 meters. Okay, so we have come to the end of our class. Please, if you really enjoyed the video, I want you to just move down move down and subscribe to the channel. Click on the like button and also share to your friends. Thank you very much. I really appreciate your stay. Have a wonderful day.